Alright guys, thank you once again for joining us on this channel. Thank you so much. I'm super excited that you are making progress. By now you should have started using some of our terminologies like, I want to long, flat or short, right? It should be used to the pip rates, right? By now you should be able to know how much you are willing to lose as against or vis-a-vis how much you wish to earn from the forex trading without asking anybody, because the last topic we talked about recommended lot size. Okay, this is very key for you to understand. So by now you should have a body of knowledge around forex trading that you are actually finding it difficult to understand initially. Okay, so welcome on board again. If you are joining us for the first time, guys, I want to welcome you officially on board. This is michaelmartinsfx. On this channel we talk about forex trading, how we can map our fund from forex and put into properties or any other venture you want to consider. But I believe that the only estate that is real estate. Okay, so welcome on board. Don't forget to like, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and share our content, guys. We intend to empower as many as we can through our videos. These are this kind of videos, course that you will go out there to learn or spend 10,000 or thousands of pounds on, guys. I paid my dues in this industry. I spent thousands of pounds, but this knowledge that you are getting free of charge, it cost me 10,000, almost more than that. Okay, so guys, welcome on board again. Now today we're going to be talking about a very important topic. Let's quickly deep dive. It's one of those knowledge that you want to have as well as you progress in this field. Okay, now what topic are we talking about? Just like what you can see, I've taken time to prepare our slide. What are currency exchange traded funds? You must have been hearing about ETFs in forex trading or financial markets. You must be hearing about ETFs. So that's what we just want to quickly provide an insight, because it's very important. If you call yourself a professional forex trader and you hear this thing out there, you should be able to say something. You should be able to relate with the topics. Okay, now just like the way we have stocks, we have shares. Okay, stocks of companies, you have shares as well. And then we have indices of countries, right? Indices, for instance, we have NASDAQ. Yeah, you have US 30. US 30 is a combination of 10 US companies, yeah, coming together and then putting their stakes in the financial market. So when you buy or sell, you are buying the performances of these US companies, 10 US 30 US companies coming together. Okay, that's what we call them, US 30 or US tech. Okay, and then we have FTSE 100, which is UK. You see 100 UK companies putting together, top companies that come together. They put their stakes in the financial market. So when you are buying FTSE 100 or selling, you are selling or buying their performances. Okay, now we have what we call the ETFs. So let's deep dive. Let me bring in my highlighter. Now, what are ETFs? Currency exchange traded fund, also known as ETFs. They are a type of exchange traded funds that provide investors with exposure to foreign exchange or basket of currencies. So ETFs literally is a basket of currencies, just like what we talk about the FTSE 100, US 30, NASDAQ and the likes. Okay, so in this case, ETFs is just like a basket of currencies. Okay, so currency exchange traded funds that provide exposure to the value of one or more foreign currency relative to US dollars. So most of the times, what happens is that these currencies, they put together, they trade against the US dollar. So we know that United States dollars is the globally acceptable exchange rate, right? That is just like the way you have your lingua franca in your country. So in global market, United States dollar is that global exchange currency. Okay, so ETFs allow investors to gain exposure to changes in exchange rates in one or more currency pairs. ETF, exchange traded funds. Okay, it's a pool of currencies measured against US dollars. ETFs are similar to stocks, which I explained before, and they are traded on exchange, hence investors can purchase shares in them. Okay, now we have examples. Common type of ETFs, foreign currency ETFs that we know. Invesco DB, US dollar index bullish funds. It is called, nickname UUP. Okay, so US dollar index bullish fund. Another popular one is Wisdom 3 Bloomberg. Okay, Wisdom 3 Bloomberg US dollar bullish funds. Another popular one is Invesco Currency Shares Swiss francs Trust, FXF. Another common examples, popular one is Wisdom 3 Emerging Currency Strategy Funds, CEW. Another example is Invesco Currency Shares Japanese Yen Trust, FXY. Full of currencies being traded against United States dollars. Now, Invesco, another example one, a popular one, Invesco Currency Share Euro Trust, FXE. So guys, these are the different examples of ETFs that you have on the stock exchange. You're in the financial market as well, right? So when someone is talking about ETFs, you need to be able to understand what they are talking about. Hope that makes sense. Okay. Now, thank you very much for joining me on this particular topic again. And for those of you that have been joining us, I want to say congratulations to you. And these whole things are making sense because we are progressing speedily. We have some other important topics ahead of us. Okay, we are in the mid-level now, guys. We are in the mid-level. We passed obviously the basic one, so we are now in the mid-levels now. We've talked about lot sizes, we talked about leverage and all that. Very soon we're going to be talking about brokers and all that stuff. Yeah, and then go into the live trading and all that activities. All right, thank you very much, guys. I remain Michael Martins. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like our video, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop any of our dope content, you'll be among the first to be notified. All right, until then, I remain Michael Martins FX. Bye for now, guys. Bye. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.